Joe, how has 2025 been for Joju?
So 2025 has been an exciting year for us. We have built a lot more community energy projects. We've installed some more projects on hospitals. We are now working with close to 100 public authorities around the country. That Joju is now, uh, with its dedicated maintenance teams, is now looking after hundreds of solar systems around the country and thousands of charge points. We've actually now installed 8,000 charge points, which is incredible, which is a great success. And we have a busy pipeline for the next year.
Yeah, what will the focus be in 2026, Joe?
Yeah, our focus in the next year is going to be much more on community, public sector, and commercial projects. We have got a lot of schools lined up during the various holiday periods. The first quarter of the year is going to be spent meeting a lot of council budget deadlines. Quite excitingly, we're doing a number of multi-technology projects combining both solar, EV charge points, and battery storage together, including carport canopies. We're doing a lot of work with blue light organisations, with police forces around the country, from South Yorkshire to Staffordshire to Avon and Somerset. We are doing quite a lot of on-street EV projects for people that don't have their own driveways, which is an exciting equality-driven project for us. Yeah, and a lot of this is being driven, certainly on the solar side, by the fact that the cost of solar panels, the cost of the actual solar hardware has come down so much. We're now looking at projects being installed for close to 50 pence per watt. At the same time as, unfortunately, electricity prices being so high. So that combination of the low cost of the hardware and the high cost of electricity is making the kind of the economic returns on solar better than they've ever been. And I think that does give us the forecast for a very positive year ahead.
Mm. So now's a good time then for businesses and the public sector to go solar.
Absolutely, now's a great time to go solar, and really for people to try and get their solar installations in before the summer so they can make the best of that summer generation.
Yeah, brilliant stuff. And how about the electric vehicle charging side of Joju? What's the outlook for that?
Yeah, it's really interesting. This year we're seeing a lot of government subsidies going into the on-street charging infrastructure, but there's also been a lot of grants for fleet charging for the public sector and for destination charging. We can see the beginning part of this year. A lot of the councils and public authorities we are working with, they're really starting in earnest to convert their fleets to electric. And in order to do that, they need to build the infrastructure to charge those vehicles. So we're seeing a lot of work in that area.
Brilliant stuff. And of course, we can't forget why we're all doing this, can we? I'm assuming the mission's still the same.
Yeah, Joju's mission remains the same: to improve air quality and lower carbon emissions, and really just bring equality of energy to as many people as we can.
And Joe, I mean, we always get a lot of glowing testimonials from customers about the Joju team. I mean, they are incredible, aren't they?
Yeah, this year especially, the team has massively pulled together, and we just have a fantastic group of people that over the last really several years has formed a very stable foundation to what we do. Everybody absolutely dedicated to the mission, everybody absolutely giving their all. And I think when people believe in what they do, it makes all the difference. And that's what you see with Joju. Just want to wish everybody a fantastic 2026.